to Liora Homes Naik, a 3-star Birder certified community designed for sustainable, practical, and future-ready living. Pagpasok mo pa lang, mararamdaman mo na agad ang maayos at planadong paligid. Secured, maluwag at tahimik. Ideal for families and long-term homeowners. Sa Liora Homes Naik, hindi lang bahay ang binibili mo. You also enjoy complete amenities, starting with a swimming pool for relaxation, bonding, and weekend family time. May clubhouse for celebrations, gatherings, and moments that bring families and neighbors together. Meron ding covered basketball court, perfect for sports, bonding, and an active lifestyle. At para sa mga bata, may playground where they can play safely just steps away from home. Isa sa pinakamagandang advantage ng Liora Homes Naik ang accessible ang location. Ilang minuto lang mula Governor's Drive with easy access to groceries, schools, churches, public transport, and other daily essentials. At ngayon ang pinaka-best time para mag-avail dahil ang Liora Homes Naik ay pre-selling pa lamang. Pre-selling means lower entry prices, flexible payment terms, and better value habang may ongoing promos. Available ang Pag-ibig financing at bank financing options, kaya mas madali at mas abot kaya ang pag-own ng sariling bahay. Each unit comes with its own carport designed for everyday convenience, plus may free solar panel and free water tanks, helping you save on utilities in the long run. Inside the house, complete fixtures na ang toilet and bath, ready for use, walang dagdag gastos. May provision for 2 bedrooms with screen doors and screen windows for a more comfortable and secure living space. This is more than a turnover. This is the beginning of your future. Liora Homes Naik, a sustainable home with complete amenities and an accessible location at a price you can secure today. Message us now while pre-selling promos are still available.